Guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Netflix profile picture from your phone. To do that, click My Netflix at the bottom of your phone there, as you can see. Then click the drop down next to where you have your profile name on the upper left. Once you do that, you'll see your profile picture. Just simply click the pencil icon next to the picture there. And from now, you will see that you can easily click the pencil icon on the image. Once you do that, you'll have loads of image that you can choose from. And so you just want to go ahead and choose whatever image that you want.
Quick one. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, my team and I publish simply and easy to understand step-by-step tutorial daily. And I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button to support our channel and of course so that you'll never miss out when we release videos just like this one every single day. Now let's continue.
So let's say I want to choose, for example, this guy here. I can click on him. You can see that it's now selected, and you don't need to go ahead and click on save or anything. Just click on back and it's going to be saved. And that's it, guys.